Blessings, Jamaica. Blessings, blessings, people all over the world. Especially our mothers, our sisters, and our daughters. Just women in general. I want to share a personal story with them. See? This is a personal experience. About in the mid-90s, I was living in Kingston, living with my mother and her common law husband, which is the father of my youngest brother. I was in my room, My mother was in her room the night. And while I was in my room, it was a Friday night, I never forget it. I hear an uproar in the room, And I was wondering what was taking place, but me hear my mother make a squeal, like she shout. And I jump up same time and go around there, and I look, I see my mother and I see our common law husband, I breathe on her. So I said to my mother, what happened? And she said, nothing. So I said, what? And she was saying, no. So I said, I'll lick him lick you. She said, nobody get involved. I said, what? Nobody get involved? You lick my mother? So, in jump on him bicycle. And when he jump on him bicycle, I know exactly where I'm going for. There's a community near Mar Valley. See? And him ride out to Mar Valley. I know the gun where I ride for because the gun used to be in the house. Right? So I rode out and go for the gun. I took up a machete and I sat and waited for him to come back with the gun. That night I decided that I am going to die for my mother. So he ride out, him go for the gun, and him come back. And as him come back, I didn't wait till him come off for the bicycle. I rush him, and him back him gun. And I say, you have to shoot tonight. It was a bar that he ran. Whole heap of people in the bar I play domino and I drink beer and I do all kind of things, in the bar. And him have the gun. It was a 9mm because I know the gun well, him have it in the house. I expose this now. Him dead here now, but I tell you this what go on. But him start to run up and down the yard with the gun, the bar empty, whole heap of people run gone. See? And I say, you have to go kill me tonight. Well, when him see how determined me is, him end up run out of the yard with the gun and carry it back. See? Him come back and him couldn't even sleep in the house. I say, okay, I haven't sleep in here. So him go elsewhere, go sleep the night. And I was there with my mother. My mother tell me, say, me not get involved. And me, I say, watch ya. I don't know how long I do this, but this is the end of it tonight. So he come back the morning, and when he come back, I cry. And I said to him, say, yo, as long as me have breath in this body, it is the first, I don't know if it is the first, because she and him did live for years. And the last time, you, if me even left you, if me hear say, you ever even cough upon her, he's a dead man. And I meant it. I told him, no. That night we didn't go for the gun. Sorry. I decided that I'm going to take a shot for my mother. I am going to die for my mother. Well, say all of that to say this now, you see my people. We see what go on in Jamaica for the past couple of years, not just months ago, but years. We see the murdering of women. We see the brutalization of women. Now recently, and this one, I want to see how Jamaica people become passive, or if you know some, if you know they are so now for insult the blood, sweat and tears of our ancestors who fought for our liberation and carry us come here so. See? And them go through and fight to attain what we call name universal adult suffrage, that politician could have come and sit down in the House of Parliament. Now we say politician now, a brutalized woman and still sit down in a parliament. Well, I live in Jamaica. And right now, me there in Jamaica. Me not like some other man where they in a foreign. See? And a company and phone attack. See? Me there in Jamaica. And me know the nature of Jamaica. Me know say what me I do right now might even cost me life. But you see, for this, also, just like that Friday night, when I did prepare for die for my mother, me prepare for dead in a Jamaica for this. You see the brother when he and George Wright, who beat up that woman there and sit down in the parliament as MP. I know, ask the Prime Minister or nobody in a Jamaica. He must resign. Me, I say it there, so right now, say, him have to resign. And Jamaica people, a few want to on the live, one little thing me I ask you. You see them three words, the words that I say, him must resign. I'm going to put, George Wright must resign. Every woman in a Jamaica, turn on a camera, looking at it, post a video. We start a campaign today. By this evening, 9 o'clock, George Wright must resign. We now ask the parliament for this. See? We ask the Jamaican people, a demand. Me understand, say, Mr. Hilton, I try to raise it in the parliament and him shoot it down. Dalrymple is a woman. See a man beat up another woman. The woman them were in the GLP. See a man beat up another woman. And who know I use politics around this? Me say, me not hide, and me know the danger of Jamaica. George Wright must resign. People at Jamaica, what me ask you, you see, if we make this slide, we doom. We doom. Oh, pitney them I go there. Just turn on the camera and do this. And me I go Mrs. Grange, you know me well. Because me and you sit down on a board together. This is Aymara. You know me well. And me know say there is good in you. See? I am asking you, as a woman who is responsible for gender relationship in a Jamaica, I want to see your video. I want to see every woman in the parliament video. George Wright must resign. It's not a if, it's not a must, and it is not maybe. So all who there around here, and I go on like say, them dead to the world. We cannot allow fear to cripple us any longer. Because if we're living in fear, if we continue to live in fear, we are not living. Let us show some love, man. We said Jesus dead for we. Which one are you willing for dead for no matter, or dead for somebody? If it is not willing to die for, it's not willing to live for. And I said, me know Jamaica. And me know the nature of these corrupt, nasty, wicked politicians. All you need for do, my people, just turn round on a camera and we go and post it and flood every social media platform that this not happen to another woman in a Jamaica. We have to take a stand. George Wright must resign by 9 p.m. and this Friday evening. the 16th of April. It no hard. When you go in a inbox, when you tag everyone on a friend, when you just turn on a camera. If you no courageous enough, if you no really want to take back Jamaica when me hear all upon you attack, when you come on social media, when you run up on your mouth. We don't need no vote for this in a parliament. See? And we have to take a stand against every form of corruption action by government in this country. I don't want nobody like this neither, I know. Because I don't like me there suffer. See? This is action time. This brother who beat up the woman, see? Must resign. He can't sit down in the parliament. He cannot be an army kind of this country. See? I'm one of the people in the international community. Every woman in the world want to share this. All I am asking for, just turn around on the camera or just write on the page, George Wright must resign. We not ask the Prime Minister on permission. We not ask them no permission for this. This is abuse. The crucifixion of the female energy must stop. No. I'm going to say this. When you kill a man, you kill an individual. But you see, when you kill a woman, you are killing a nation. I'm going to repeat it again. If you kill a man, yes, you kill an individual. But when you kill a woman, you are killing a nation. We have been suffering too much in this country. Saying? And we see there is a spiritual warfare against the female energy in this country. And I say too now. I not go too long, you know. See? And I don't likes me I look. I don't look no views neither. See? Because I know the danger when me cause for myself, you know. But I willing for dead for this. All me ask every woman in here, so every man will have a woman. Me talk to the police woman them in Jamaica too. Me talk to the soldier woman them in Jamaica too. See? And just turn on the camera and post it. If you not courageous so, if you not courageous that much, none of who no willing, no deserve to be living neither. Let us show love for our sisters. How can we have a member of parliament sitting in parliament, see, who are brutalized woman in a Jamaica, and wanna go around it? We see a little you just call, say something about the Prime Minister, and could have find him in hours, and I know this a boy and sleep in a jail. Eh? What kind of double standard this? Me, I tell you no say, if it take me alone, this have to stop in a Jamaica. George Wright, you have to resign. Me out.